Good day, you are welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on the Global Trade Tutor. In today's video and in this series of video, my focus will actually be on German market. German market is a very big market, and for what you can see on the screen, you will notice that German market actually imported goods worth about $1.5 trillion in 2022. So in this series of video, I'll be talking about different things that the German market import. And for you in any part of the world, you are looking at exporting, this will give you an idea of what you should be looking at exporting to Germany. From the data available on what German market import, the largest import of Germany is petroleum gas. And this is followed by cars. And this is followed by parts of cars. This is followed by crude petroleum, that's crude oil. This is followed by refined petroleum. This is followed by vaccine. This is followed by packaged drugs, and a host of others. But to see that the demand in this market is $1.5 trillion means this is a market you want to be. You know, the largest is the US in terms of import, followed by China, and we've done those two. If you are just joining, you can check the previous session of the playlist on that on our YouTube channel, Global Trade Tutor and Voice of African Trade. And then in this series, we're looking at the German market. How about animal products? What are the animal products that Germany imports? Germany is importing different kinds of animal products. So what are these animal products that Germany is importing? Number one on the list is cheese, 19.2%. Germany also imports a lot of poultry meat, 9.31%, including cow meat, otherwise called bovine, 8.73%. I think what a country is able to import is based on their purchasing power, not necessarily population. Because if you look at the fish fillet also, 8.18%. Milk, 7.51%. Of the 27 billion for animal product is used to import only milk. Pig meat, 5.31%. Non-fillet fresh fish, 3.91%. Butter, 3.65%. Dry salted smoked fish in salt, 3.59%. Pigs, 2.8%. 2.8% pig. Egg, 2.7%. Concentrated milk, 2.54%. Preserved meat, 2.36%. Animal organs, 2.3%. Sheep and goat meat, 2.15%. Crustaceans, 1.99%. Poultry, 1.6%. So they import both the meat and the animal itself. Probably they want to rear or for them to rear. Honey, 1.17%. Frozen bovine, 1.31%. Non-fillet frozen fish, 1.15%. Fermented milk product, 0.95%. Edible offals, that's internal organs. That's what they call roundabout in Nigeria. 0.57%. So this country is spending $27 billion to import different kind of animal products.